The AL13 Home aluminum railing system by Fortress Railing strives to be one of the strongest railing lines on the market that a builder at any experience level can install confidently. Offering a wide range of accessories and accent pieces, this system also allows you to customize the setup to match the style you want for your deck. Discover how straightforward an AL13 Home installation can be, and as always, check your local building codes before installing yourself. This will be a guide to an over-the-post AL13 Home install with a round accent top rail finish. What you need: 3 AL13 Home posts, 2 AL13 Home panels, 3 AL13 Home post caps, 2 AL13 Home universal rail bracket kits, sold in a pack of 4. 1 AL13 Home round accent top rail, 16 foot. A tape measure. Pencil. A circle or miter saw. Level. 1/8 inch drill bit. T25 driver bit. 5/16 inch nut driver. GRK RSS 4-inch screws. A number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. What's included? AL13 Home post base covers. Recommended but not necessary: 1 AL13 Home touch-up paint. 1 AL13 Home eye support. After double-checking your railing plan and post layout, mount your AL13 Home post to your deck surface. Position your post at least a 1/2 inch inwards from the inside edge of the rim joist, and if working with treated lumber, be sure to place the included base plate barrier underneath. Pre-drill the openings in your base plate with an 1/8 inch drill bit to avoid splitting. Then, loosely attach your post to the deck using your leg screws. Drill all 4 screws in about halfway, then, using your level, correct your hardware until the post is plumb and level in position. With your post mounted in place, use your tape measure to find the distance between your posts. One of the fantastic features of the new AL13 Home railing system is their strong posts also boast pre-installed brackets for a great straightforward installation. These brackets are already set and installed at the correct heights on your posts to achieve either the 36 or 42 inch railing height you want without all the extra work. Measure from the back side of the bottom bracket across to the other. Then, confirm this measurement is the same for the top brackets as well. For the 8-foot AL13 Home panel, maximum post spacing is 93 7/8 inches, while maximum post spacing for the 6-foot AL13 Home panel is 69 7/8 inch. Once you know the panel opening length, trim the panel to fit if necessary. When trimming, you will want to cut both ends of the panel equally to ensure a symmetrical look. To do this, divide your bracket-to-bracket measurement by 2 to find half the needed panel length. Then, find the center of the whole panel and measure out half of the opening length in each direction. Mark these locations with a pencil on both the top and bottom rail. Then use a circle or miter saw to trim at the lines. Clear away any metal shavings and cover cut ends with Fortress touch-up paint to seal and protect those edges. Install the panel eye support by twisting it into the center of the bottom rail directly under a baluster. Position the eye support so that the included attachment screw can easily reach the deck surface. Set your prepared AL13 Home panel into the brackets between the posts and place a level over the posts to ensure panels are even. Attach using the provided self-drilling screw and a T25 driver bit. Pre-drilling these locations with a 1/8 inch drill bit will make for a smoother install. Then, attach the eye support to the deck surface with the provided Phillips head screw. Toss aside the top halves of the 2 top rail brackets and clasp the top bracket halves onto the bottom rail brackets. Once you've completed your railing sections, you'll want to finish and polish off your rails by adding a flat or round accent top rail. These parts are great, simple options to fully bring your deck alive and get the look you want to bring to your space. To install an accent top rail, measure the distance between the inside edges of the outside posts. Trim the accent top rail to length using a circle or miter saw as needed. There's no need to trim from both ends as the piece is already singular. Place the included spacers equally across the length of the rails with no more than 14 inches of space between them. Set the end spacers as close to the mounting brackets as possible. Fasten these spacers to the top rail with the included self-drilling screws using a 5/16 inch nut driver. Don't remove the backing of the adhesive strips until fully ready to permanently attach the accent top rail. When ready, remove the backing on all spacers and use force to snap the accent top rail down over the spacers. You can finish this piece off or connect it with the next railing section using an accent top rail splice. With your railing section finished, take your AL13 Home post caps and press into place atop the posts. Use a rubber mallet or your fist to lightly hit the post caps snugly in place. Once in place, use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to attach the 2 halves of the post base cover at the deck surface. There will be corner locations that will require a screw connection. Get an impressive, grand-looking railing minus the complicated install with Fortress AL13 Home. A wonderful choice for anyone wanting to build or renovate their outdoor space. No matter your building experience, get started today with Fortress AL13 Home, available at DecksDirect.
Hi, my name is Dan with the Customer Experience Team at DecksDirect. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.